Hello friends, this is Pradeep Shatikar and I'm here again with one more video. This particular video is about selecting a good quality fish food, how to select a good quality fish food. And for this particular video, I have taken this Hikaris Discus Bio Gold as an example. So we will be taking this as an example, and we will be, analyzing in how to pick up a good fish food for your aquarium hobby. There are various things and factors which need to be considered while buying a fish food. Selecting a good brand like Hikari, Tetra, New Life Spectrum, or Ocean Free, etc., is very essential, because what happens is these reputed companies have a lot of research and development which has already gone through for the development of this particular fish food. So obviously you would be rest assured that the quality of the fish food would be great, and it would be specifically for the fishes which is mentioned in the packaging, and which would be suited for that particular fishes. So brand is one first point that needs to be considered while while taking consideration while you purchase a fish food, because a good quality good brand will give you a good quality fish food which would give you a proven result, and better fish health. Second point is to be considered is the size of the pellets. It is very important to choose the size of the pellet according to the fishes that you have. You need to select a smaller pellets for fishes which have smaller mouth, and bigger pellets for fishes which have a bigger mouth and a bigger size. Like discus, for discus you can go for pellets which are like this small, which can be easily devoured by the discus and other small fishes like tetra and mollies. If you have a arowana or a large cichlid, or flower horn, you can go for pellets which are slightly bigger in size. So it is very necessary to make sure that you pick a fish food with which is appropriately sized to your fish's mouth. The third point that needs to be considered is the protein content of the fish food in the fish food, because protein content is always better for growth and health of the fish food. Higher the protein content, the better the fish food, and lesser the fillers in the in the fish food. Basically, protein helps the fishes to grow faster and remain healthier. It helps it to the fish to attain its potential color much more faster and much more better. So I personally recommend a protein content which is at least more than 40% in the particular fish food that you're choosing. Here you can see, I'll zoom it up for you. See, this particular fish food has approximately 50% of crude protein content in the particular packaging of this bio discuss bio goldfish food. So this is a very good quality fish food. Higher the protein content, better the quality. This is one more brand. It's a Chinese brand wherein you can check in the protein content here. Again, it is 48%. So this is also recommended. Any protein content just more than 40% is recommended. And the last and the fourth point which needs to be considered while buying a fish food is the ingredients. You need to check the labeling of this particular or any fish food that you are buying, and make sure that the five top five ingredients contain at least three non-vegetarian ingredients. If you can check here, I'll zoom it up. So this particular Hikari's Discus Bio Gold will have krill meal as a first content, whole crushed silkworm pulp as a second content, fish meal as a third content, and jellyfish meal as a fourth content. The fifth content is the dried seaweed meal. So 4 out of 5 top 5 ingredients is the non-vegetarian content, so the bioavailability of protein would be much more higher here, so the quality of the food goes up. So this is the fourth point that you need to consider, and this is one of the most important factor: the non-vegetarian content in the fish food and the protein percentage. These two factors are very important here. Again, we will see one more example here. See, you can read the first ingredient here is fish meal. Second is krill meal. Third is mealworm powder. So the fourth is wheat gram and wheat gram extract, and fifth is wheat flour. So three out of the top five content are non-vegetarian content, so with a protein content of 48%. So this again is a very good fish food which would help the fish to grow faster and much better. So this is how you decide, or this is how you know come to conclusion which fish food you need to purchase. So I hope you like this video, and I hope this information will help you choose a better fish food next time you go to a shop, fish aquarium shop, and buy fish food for your fishes. Thank you.